Hello friends, welcome to your infotech channel. Okay, last class we have discussed about variable declaration and we have seen var keyword and using constant keyword. Okay, so in this session I would like to explain okay expressions in JavaScript. So what is an expression? What is expression? Okay, so expression is just a value that evaluate to produce a value for a variable. Okay, so expression is nothing but is just a value, okay, that evaluate to produce a value, that evaluate to produce a value. Okay, so most common way to build the complex expression is with an operator. Okay, using operator, okay, we can build the complex expressions in JavaScript. Okay, and we also have a primary expression. So primary expression is nothing but a simple expression is also known as a primary expression. Okay, let's say an example. Let me go to this Visual Studio so I can save the file with the expressions.html. Okay, trying to create here expression. So what is an expression in JavaScript? Let me create an h1 expression. So I'm taking style tag h1. Okay, setting some background color dark cyan, color white, padding 10 pixels. Okay, right click, open in default browser. Okay, this is an expressions we have. For expression I'm trying to create script tag, okay, to create a simple expressions. So these are the simple expressions we have, and let me take here 8.9. okay, so this is a number literal. Okay, and we use double quotes, welcome to your infotech channel. Okay, this is nothing but a string literal. Okay, insert general example. Okay, so let num, okay, for number, or else let me create, okay, I comma j. Okay, so I'm declaring the two variables here. Declaring two variables I comma j. Okay, now I'm using expressions here. J equal to, okay, I equal to 6 multiplied by 5. Okay, so here I may use, okay, I'll combine three expressions. Okay, so using multiplication operator. Okay, for multiplication operator we have an asterisk. Okay, I have used assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator. For assignment we are using here this one. Okay, now how the JavaScript is evaluated this one. Okay, so to let me print here first let me print here console.log. Okay, so I'm printing first j value. Okay, if you print the j value, obviously we'll get here undefined. I'll explain why it is undefined is okay. So go to this browser once, just reload this page, right click, go to this inspect, go to this console. Oh, it printing this 30. Okay, because okay, so here first thing, okay, first it will calculate it 6 into 5, then it will assign here j equal to I equal to 30 value. Okay, then it will assign j value equal to 30. Like this expression will be calculated. Okay, like it will always. We can also print here. Okay, we can also print console.log x also, sorry, console.log I also. Okay, so we may get here two values 30 30 30 30. Okay, and similarly we can also create a complex situations. Okay, so here let num equal to 13 by 30 by 15. Okay, plus 5 minus 2. Okay, so followed by multiplication. Okay, 7 plus 5 minus 2. Okay, let me take here 25. So this is an expressions we have. So here using so many complex expressions. So this is a complex expression. Okay, now let me print here console.log num value. Okay, let me go to this browser, just reload this page, so we may get 7 value. Let me explain how this expression is evaluated. Okay, so first num, so first it will take in the brackets, okay, 30 divided by 15, 30 divided by 15 plus 25 minus, okay, 2 multiplication. So in the brackets 7 plus 5 12, 12 minus 2 10. Okay, next it will take num. Okay, it will take this division operator, 2 plus 25 minus 2 into 10. Okay, now it will take num, okay, 2 plus 25 minus 20. Okay, then JavaScript it will take num 27 minus 20, so we'll get the 7 value. Like the expressions will be calculated in JavaScript. So if you see here, this is an output for this.